Most conflicts after the Cold War have been domestic ones between diverse groups seeking political power or independence. Because of this, even after conflict has ended, there still remains a risk of conflict to break out in many cases. Major factors of conflict are the confrontation among political leaders, unequal share of resource revenue, the lack of rule of law, and significant social divide. People living in such countries find it difficult to accept social and political structures. JICA support is targeted at various levels of a government according to the case, and this time the specific focus is on the role of local government, and its emphasis is on strengthening their capacity. Kampala, the capital of Uganda. About 360 kilometers from Kampala is the city of northern Uganda, Gulu. The Acholi area, the center of which is Gulu, suffered from conflict over 20 years from the 1980s. About 2 million internally displaced persons, IDPs, spread out. Then, in November 2011, JICA started the Project for Capacity Development in Planning and Implementation of Community Development in Acholi Subregion, ACAP, in northern Uganda.
Because in terms of capacity building, we who are dealing directly with the community, they thought of building our capacity.
Abidjan is the biggest city in Cote d'Ivoire. After the outbreak of political turmoil in 2002, the area north of Bouaké City in Beke region was put under the control of anti-government forces. In the next 10 years, the country was virtually split into two parts, north and south. Most of the government officers, as well as the residents, sought refuge in the south. Public services in northern and central areas, such as education, health and medical care, water and electricity, were suspended. With the economic stagnation, living standards declined and exacerbated poverty. JICA has been implementing the Project on Human Resource Development for strengthening local administration in central and northern areas of Cote d'Ivoire, PCN-CI, since 2013.
En effet, ce projet est un véritable succès. De ce point de vue-là, il y a encore d'autres défis à relever. Ces défis à relever montrent qu'il faut aller un peu plus loin.
JICA works with its counterparts, not only by helping them understand the new concepts, but by practicing them together. Based on the idea that such approach is more effective, JICA is supporting capacity development of local governments, changing the mindset of government officers.